watermelons in summer means no need to grab medicines. Watermelons are sweet, juicy, and refreshing. Hailed as the king of summer fruits, they play a crucial and significant role in the seasonal supply of fruits. They are easy to plant, have a high yield, and are resistant to storage and transportation. They perfectly meet the needs of people in China for relieving summer heat, so they are widely cultivated across the country and deeply loved by people. Watermelon, also known as cool melon, water gourd, watermelon rind, and watermelon green, belongs to the Cucurbitaceae family and the Citrullus genus. It is native to tropical regions of Africa and is widely cultivated from tropical to temperate regions around the world. In this lesson, let's get to know watermelons together. Next, we will study from 3 aspects: biological characteristics, variety types, and cultivation seasons and cropping arrangements. Learning objectives of this lesson. Knowledge objectives. 1. Understand the morphological characteristics, growth and development cycle of watermelons, and their requirements for environmental conditions. 2. Learn about common variety types of watermelons. 3. Master the key points of watermelon cultivation seasons and cropping arrangements. Skill objectives. 4. Be able to correctly name the types of watermelons. 5. Based on the biological characteristics of watermelons and combined with local actual conditions, develop a production plan. Quality objectives. 6. Cultivate students' qualities of being hard, working, and down to earth. 7. Foster an awareness of loving nature and protecting the environment. Watermelons are a summer delicacy. Growing big and sweet watermelons is not an easy task. First, we need to understand its biological characteristics. Let's learn about them from 3 aspects: morphological characteristics, growth and development cycle, and requirements for environmental conditions. Biological characteristics. 1. Morphological characteristics. Roots. Watermelons have a taproot system, with a well-developed root system that is deeply and widely distributed. Stems. The stems are vine-like, hollow, and pentagonal in cross-section. There are nodes on the stems, with leaves at the nodes. Bracts. Male flowers, female flowers, tendrils, and root primordia grow in the leaf axils. Adventitious roots are easily formed at the nodes. Leaves. The leaves are simple, alternate, and green. The shape and size of the leaves vary depending on the variety and their position on the plant. Flowers. The flowers are solitary, and the plants are monoecious. Most of the flowers are unisexual, with a small number being bisexual. Fruits. The fruits are pipos, consisting of the peel, flesh, and seeds. The fruit shapes include round, oval, oblong, and short, round. The size of the fruits varies by variety. Seeds. The seeds are flat and oval shaped. The seed coat colors include brown, red, orange, black, and white. 2. Growth and development cycle. The growth period of watermelons is 140 days, which is divided into 4 stages: the germination stage, the seedling stage, the vine stretching stage, and the fruiting stage. Germination stage. It is from the seed germination to the full expansion of the cotyledons. Seedling stage. It is from the emergence of the first true leaf to the expansion of 4, 5 true leaves. Vine, stretching stage. It is from the expansion of 4, 5 true leaves to the opening of the first female flower. Fruiting stage. It is from the opening of the female flower to the maturity of the fruit. The fruiting stage is a key period for watermelon growth. During this stage, proper management of water, fertilizer, and temperature is crucial for the formation of high-quality fruits. 3. Requirements for environmental conditions. Temperature. Watermelons like warm and heat. Resistant conditions, and are afraid of cold. The most suitable growth temperature is 25-30 degrees Celsius. Growth will be affected when the temperature is higher than 35 degrees Celsius or lower than 13 degrees Celsius. Light. Watermelons are light-loving plants and require sufficient sunlight. They are long-day plants. Moisture. Watermelons have strong drought tolerance but also require a large amount of water. They are also afraid of waterlogging. The suitable soil moisture is 60%, 80%. Sufficient water is needed before and after the female flowers bloom, and during the fruit expansion period. Watermelons are not resistant to waterlogging, so good drainage should be ensured during the rainy season. Soil and nutrients. Watermelons can be planted in fertile sandy soil, loam, or clay with a deep soil layer. Loose texture and rich in organic matter. A soil pH of 5.7 is more suitable. We eat various watermelons in our daily life. What shapes do they have? What characteristics can you describe? Are some round and some long? Let's learn about the variety types of watermelons together. 2 variety types, according to the fruit maturity period. Watermelons can be classified into early, maturing, medium, maturing, and late, maturing varieties. 早熟 8-24. It is an early, maturing variety with a medium growth potential. The fruits are full, round, and symmetrical, with clear and shiny patterns. The umbilical part is sunken, and the peel is thin, light green. The flesh is pink, sandy, crispy, juicy, and pure in taste. Black Beauty. It is an extremely early, maturing variety. The plants are robust, disease-resistant, and tolerant to humidity. The fruits are long, oval, with a dark green peel and indistinct stripes. The peel is thin and tough, and it is resistant to storage and transportation. The flesh is bright red and sweet. 金星 number 1. It is an early, 2. medium, maturing variety with a medium growth potential and small-sized leaves. The fruits are round, with 16-17 distinct dark green stripes and a layer of wax powder on the surface. The flesh is pink, crispy, with a high sugar content. The peel is relatively brittle, and its storage and transportation performance is poor. Xinongbao. It is an early, maturing variety with strong growth potential and a high fruiting rate. The fruits are oval, with light green skin scattered with green network patterns. The peel is thick, tough, and the flesh is red. It has a high sugar content, good quality, and is resistant to storage. Xinqing. It is an early, maturing variety with strong growth potential and branching ability. The stems and vines are thick. The fruits are oval, with a green skin and fine green network patterns. The peel is thick, tough, and resistant to storage and transportation. The flesh is red, crispy, and sweet. Liu Yuan number 2. It is a medium, maturing variety. The fruits are oval, light green, with fine network patterns on the peel. The appearance is beautiful. The peel is thick, tough, and the flesh is red. It has a high sugar content, good quality, and is resistant to storage and transportation. The flesh is red, crispy, and sweet. Guangxi number 2. It is a medium, maturing variety with strong growth potential and relatively strong branching ability. It is disease resistant, tolerant to humidity and heat, and has strong adaptability. The fruits are short, oval, with a tough peel, resistant to storage and transportation. The flesh is bright red, fine, textured, crispy, sweet, and does not have a hollow or cracked rind. Jinzhong Guanlong. It is a medium, maturing variety with a medium growth potential plant. The fruits are oval, with a dark green peel and green stripes. The peel is thick, tough, and resistant to storage and transportation. The flesh is red, crispy, and sweet. Zhemi number 1. It is a medium to late maturing variety with strong growth potential. It is disease resistant, tolerant to humidity, and easy to set fruits. The fruits are oval, with a dark green peel and hidden stripes. The peel is thick, tough, and resistant to storage and transportation. The flesh is red, fine, textured, crispy, and sweet. To grow high quality and high yield watermelons, sowing at the right time is very important. Next, let us learn about the suitable cultivation seasons and cropping arrangements for watermelons. 3. Cultivation seasons and cropping arrangements. Open field cultivation. In the middle and lower reaches of the Yangtze River, there are 2 crops in spring and summer. In South China, there are 2 crops in spring and autumn. In Southwest China, there are 2 crops in spring and summer. Facility cultivation. In the middle and lower reaches of the Yangtze River, there are 2 crops in spring and summer. In Southwest China, there are 2 crops in spring and summer. Facility cultivation has developed rapidly, and the cultivation methods of watermelons have become increasingly diverse. Generally, open field cultivation is the main method. For the spring crop, seedlings are usually transplanted in April, and for greenhouse cultivation, seedlings are transplanted in February. For the autumn crop, sowing is carried out in summer, and harvesting is in autumn and winter. Watermelons should avoid continuous cropping, and strict crop rotation is required. The rotation period is generally more than 5 years. So far, we have completed the study of the Understanding Watermelon chapter. Let's have a post-class summary. 1. The biological characteristics of watermelons. 2. Variety types. 3. Cultivation seasons and cropping arrangements. I will assign some after-class thinking questions to deepen your memory. 1. What are the requirements of watermelon growth for environmental conditions? 2. Summarize the characteristics of watermelon water and fertilizer management. Watermelons are a summer delicacy for ordinary people. Although there is a wide variety of fruits in the market, the consumption of watermelons has always remained at a stable level. Growing watermelons well has great practical significance for stabilizing the market fruit price and increasing farmers' income. Students, through today's study, when planting watermelons, You should fully consider the local natural conditions and climate environment, carry out scientific cultivation and management, and meet the market demand for watermelons. This is the end of today's lesson. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class.